Dog status, Bill Harbor. I bought Lenny's mall for my brothers. Oh, your bag, told the cutter. I got it out the field, fuck Russell.
Hey y'all, I'm Lani. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. And today I am doing a iPad unboxing video. This is the iPad Pro 11-inch 4th generation. I'm using my camera flash for my phone because y'all, I'm in the middle of moving and my ring light is downstairs. So it's just boxes everywhere. I was in the middle of packing, like, finna show y'all. It's boxes everywhere. I was in the middle of packing and everything, but then I was like, I need to record this video so I can play on my iPad. We're about to open this iPad that I've been waiting for. So, yeah. Okay y'all, so we have the iPad out of the box. This is what it looks like. It's like really sweet. This is my first ever iPad. I have a MacBook, I have an Apple Watch, iPhone, AirPods. I have the whole Apple ecosystem, but this was my last missing piece. Oh, he got my name on it. I got silver. Y'all, let me show y'all my name. He got my name on it. Here we go. Period. Okay, y'all, so here is the iPad. You know, turn it on. Exciting thing, y'all. Make this your new iPad. Okay, I'm gonna get back to y'all when I get done with all this Apple Pay stuff. Y'all, my iPad is set up. So now we're about to put the case and stuff on. So let me do that. This is the case that I got. It came with stickers, but I'm not going to use these. I already have stickers that I would prefer to use, but these are cute, I guess. Okay, we got it on correctly. Oh. iPad. Super cute. Okay, and I bought a pencil off Amazon because I was not paying over $79, $100 and something dollars for an Apple Pencil. Maybe in the future, but not now. It's a little purple pencil, you know, to match the purple case, the silver iPad. Yeah, I don't know how to connect this though. It works perfectly fine. By the way, I need to download all of my things, my YouTube things, stuff like that. Yeah, so we have everything set up on the iPad, y'all. So now I just have to download all of my stuff on here, like Canva, CapCut, YouTube Studio, Subcount, all of that stuff. So that's what I'm about to do, and probably go back to packing. But yeah.
And you better choose wisely. That's my high. 1, 2, 3, 4, go up to 5.
Okay, so that is it for today. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe and get me to 500 subscribers. Your girl is at 457 subscribers, so make sure y'all just go subscribe for me really quick. Anyways, if you're watching this video preparing to get an iPad, I hope you get it soon, because that was definitely me until I got it. And I'll see y'all next time. Bye.